Hello friends, welcome to Defense and Technology. On this channel you will get fully information about defense and technology. Let's view the video. Top 20 Secret U.S. Military Bases Globally. 1. Area 51, Nevada, USA. Area 51 is the most famous secret base, hidden deep in the Nevada desert. It's long been associated with experimental aircraft, alien technology, and classified operations. The U.S. government only acknowledged its existence in 2013. Military testing here remains highly confidential and heavily guarded. 2. Dugway Proving Ground, Utah, USA. Located in western Utah, this base specializes in testing chemical, biological and radiological weapons. Known as the Area 52, Dugway is shrouded in secrecy with restricted airspace and limited access. It plays a crucial role in defense research and classified weapon systems. 3. Mount Weather, Virginia, USA. Mount Weather is a top-secret underground facility used as a FEMA operations center during national emergencies. It contains bunkers, communication centers, and high-level government shelters to ensure continuity of government during crises. 4. Cheyenne Mountain Complex, Colorado, USA. Buried under 2,000 feet of granite, this NORAD facility is designed to withstand a nuclear blast. It houses tracking systems for space and air threats and serves as a command center for national defense. 5. Raven Rock Mountain Complex, Pennsylvania, USA. Known as Site R, this facility is a backup Pentagon. It features underground bunkers and command centers. It's built to support senior military and government leaders during a major conflict or nuclear event. 6. Tonopah Test Range, Nevada, USA. This range is part of the Nellis Test and Training Range. It's believed to test classified aircraft, including stealth technology and drone systems. The area is restricted and often used in conjunction with Area 51 operations. 7. Naval Communication Station, Harold E. Holt, Exmouth, Australia. This joint U.S.-Australian base is used to communicate with submarines globally. Its enormous VLF, very low-frequency antennas, can send signals deep into the ocean. It plays a major role in U.S. naval strategy in the Indo-Pacific. 8. Pine Gap, Northern Territory, Australia. Pine Gap is a joint NSA and CIA surveillance base that gathers global signals intelligence. It's essential for satellite surveillance and drone targeting. The base is off-limits and heavily protected by both countries. 9. Diego Garcia, British Indian Ocean Territory. This island base is critical for U.S. operations in the Middle East and Asia. It houses long-range bombers, naval vessels, and submarine communication stations. Access is restricted, and the original inhabitants were relocated. 10. Thule Air Base, Greenland. Thule is America's northernmost base, located near the Arctic Circle. It plays a vital role in missile warning and space surveillance. Its location offers strategic advantage for polar orbit tracking. 11. Camp Lemonnier, Djibouti, Africa. This is the only permanent U.S. military base in Africa, located near key shipping lanes. It's central to counter-terrorism operations and drone missions across Africa and the Middle East. The base hosts Navy SEALs, intelligence teams, and Predator drones. 12. Joint Defense Facility Noongar, Australia. Though closed now, its role has reportedly continued under other cover. It was a secret satellite ground station used for missile warning and intelligence. Some speculate U.S. involvement still remains hidden nearby. 13. Fort Detrick, Maryland, USA. Once the center of America's biological weapons program, Fort Detrick remains a secretive biomedical research facility. It handles dangerous pathogens and is often linked to disease outbreak studies and biowarfare defense. 14. Menwith Hill, North Yorkshire, UK. A major NSA-CIA signals intelligence base covered in white radar domes. It intercepts satellite communications globally. The site supports drone missions and has been linked to global surveillance programs like Echelon. 15. Guam Naval Base, Guam, Pacific Ocean. This strategic Pacific base is vital for operations in Asia. It houses submarines, stealth bombers, and missile defense systems. Its location makes it a launch point for rapid response missions and naval dominance. 16. Kauai Pacific Missile Range Facility, Hawaii, USA. A top facility for missile testing and defense system trials. This site is used for space radar, tracking missile interceptors, and testing hypersonic weapons. Its remoteness keeps tests secret. 17. Elmendorf-Richardson, Alaska, USA. Located in Anchorage, this base is key for early missile warning, especially from the Arctic and Russia. It hosts fighter jets and high-tech radar installations. Its extreme cold helps simulate harsh battle conditions. 18. Yakima Training Center, Washington, USA. This vast area is used for electronic warfare testing and training in rugged terrain. It's isolated, allowing secret technology and tactics to be tested with minimal oversight or visibility. 19. Misawa Air Base, Japan. Operated jointly with the Japanese, it's a hub for signals intelligence in Asia. It includes advanced listening posts and cyber warfare units. The base helps monitor China, North Korea, and Russia. 20. Gravelly Point, Virginia, USA, CIA headquarters. Not a military base in the traditional sense, but highly secretive. It houses the CIA's nerve center for global operations. Rumors suggest underground chambers and black ops coordination facilities. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel Defense and Technology for more interesting and knowledgeful videos.